guys, I'm Ollie from Vanlife Conversions. In this video I'll be taking you on a tour around our van Archie, which is available for you to hire. So if you enjoy the features of this video, do get in touch and we'll be pleased to hear from you. I'm going to talk you through the features of this van from front to back and show you what we've put in this conversion. In the cab we've got this reversing camera which helps you to back up into tight spaces, and that's on a permanent 12-volt feed. We've got two captain style chairs. The passenger seat is on a swivel plate which allows you to open up the space in the back and seat more people inside the van if you want to. We've got a curtain, so at night we can pull this across and it's blacked out, so it creates a private area in the back and stops any light from being emitted outside. In the overhead cupboard storage we have these window inserts which will again create a blackout feature and also insulate the windows when you're staying in the van overnight. In the bulkhead area we've got this step which is an additional bit of storage. We keep things like dog food in here, tins of food, but there's also a 350 watt inverter to power two main sockets here for your laptop chargers and phone chargers if you wish to use them. This cubicle here is our shower and toilet area. It's a hot water mixer shower. It's really high pressured. The hot water is supplied by a Truma combi boiler which is 10 litres in capacity, and that also does our hot air as well. There's a small vent in the bottom of the shower room and that turns this area into a drying room for any of your wet clothes to leave in overnight. We have these overhead cupboards above the kitchen area, and this is for your kitchenware and extra storage space. Moving down we have a Metro style tiled splashback with a mixer sink and tap, a Thetford triplex oven which is powered by an LPG fuel tank under the van. This has a 3-hob burner on top and an oven and grill underneath. We've created a seating area that's flexible in its design. If you want to have a dining area where you can sit opposite your partner, this centrepiece can be pulled out and slotted here to form a longer bench. For dining in the van, we've got this marine style adjustable table which is really versatile, as you can move it to help with chopping up and preparing your food, to having it as a dining table when you're eating. It's removable and we store it away in this bench seat when we're travelling. The kitchen unit has lots of storage areas. We've got a little cutlery drawer here up top, a bin area here, and this drawer here is for your pots and pans and some baking trays and other frying pans. We have some trays and some chopping boards in this side compartment. And this cupboard here is for additional storage, and we also have some reading material and beer. Down here there's a control panel which is for your gas appliances. There's options to set your room temperature and also turn on the hot water boiler, which takes 20 minutes to get to 60 degrees temperature. We've installed this extractor fan into our ceiling. It can blow air both in and out of the van depending on whether you want to extract fumes when you're cooking, or in the summer months create a cool breeze throughout the van. Archie is an L3H2 Citroen Relay van. The electrical system has a 360 watt solar panel and two 110 amp hour AGM batteries, meaning it is off-grid capable, allowing you to explore further into nature during your stay. If you are interested in hiring Archie, do get in touch with us at www.vanlifeconversions.co.uk. If you're starting your own van build, then check out our YouTube channel for some van conversion tips and a full build series coming shortly. Thanks for the ongoing support and we hope to hear from you soon.